This is an infographic video about safety online practices.
If you haven't already, like and subscribe and turn the bell notification on. Now, let's go back to the video.
I'll be here to teach you on how to be safe online while having fun in the internet and also while exploring the World Wide Web.
Some of you might be wondering how and why safe online practices matter in the internet. Safe online practices are crucial because they help protect individuals from various threats and cyberbullying, data breaches, and exposure to harmful content. Safe online practices, also known as internet safety or cyber safety, refers to the strategies and behaviors used to protect oneself and others from the threats and risks.
To ensure online safety, prioritize strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and secure browsing practices. Be cautious about sharing personal information, avoid suspicious links, and keep software updated.
Top 5 of safe online practices.
Number 1 of online safety is password management. Password management refers to the systemic process of creating, storing, organizing, and using strong, unique passwords for various online accounts and services. It involves employing tools and techniques to manage passwords effectively, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches.
Number 2. Secure browsing. Secure browsing refers to the practice of protecting your data and privacy while navigating in the internet. Number 3. Protecting personal information. Involves taking proactive steps to safeguard your data both online and offline. This includes using strong passwords, being cautious about what you share online, and keeping your software updated. Number 4. Downloading and installing. Downloading is the process of transferring a file from a remote server to your computer, while installing is the process of making that downloaded file functional on your system. Number 5. General online safety. It encompasses practices and precautions to protect yourself from harm while using the internet. This includes safeguarding personal information, being aware of potential threats like phishing and malware, and understanding how to navigate online interaction responsibly. These are the top 3 common threats in the internet. Number 1. Malware. This encompasses a wide range of malicious software including viruses, worms, and ransomware designed to infiltrate systems and cause harm. Number 2. Password attacks. These attacks involves various techniques to obtain or guess users' passwords. Hackers may use brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, or keyloggers to steal passwords and gain access to accounts. Number 3. Phishing. Phishing attacks use deceptive emails, messages, or websites to trick users into revealing personal information such as username, password, or credit card details. Tips on how to report and block bad people online. Tip 1. To effectively block and report suspicious individuals online, it's crucial to be proactive and informed. Start by blocking the user on the platform you're using. If the suspicious activity involves a scam or illegal activity, report it to the platform and relevant authorities like the Federal Trade Commission or the Internet Crime Complaint Center. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy and have a nice day.